Okay, so this is blinking lights on breadboard. We got our 9-volt battery here, two LEDs, the potentiometers or the pots. Yeah, so if I adjust, sorry, it might get a little shaky here. So if I adjust this faster, you can see it blinks a little bit faster. If I adjust both of them faster, the whole system, or they both blink faster. If I adjust it to be slower, then they'll go slower. There we go, that's slower. If you wanted it to go even slower, you'd need to have the potentiometers that have a higher resistance when they're all the way closed. But yeah.